In this video, we're going to show you how to mount the propellers and also how to check for the correct motor rotations. Before you mount your propellers for the first time, make sure your motors are spinning in the correct direction. So a very easy way to test it is all you need is a piece of paper. First, turn on your transmitter. Second, plug in your batteries. Okay. Do one of the 4 stick commands to arm the motor. Now, take a piece of paper and you put it on the motor. You can see here, the paper goes this way. That's telling me that the motor is spinning clockwise. If you put it on the other side, you can see the piece of paper goes to the right. That's telling me that the motor is spinning counterclockwise. Once you have figured out the correct rotation of the motors, looking from the rear of the aircraft to the front, the right side, as you can see here, looking from the back to the front, the right side will always spin counterclockwise. The left side will always spin clockwise. And if you rotate the aircraft to any side, looking from the back to the front once again, this will spin counterclockwise, that will spin clockwise. Now it's time to mount the propellers. First, you need to locate the 2 different propellers. One's going to be a regular prop, one's going to be a reverse prop. So notice the 2 airfoils on the propeller, as you can see here, the top side and the bottom side. The top side will have a curve similar to the top of a circle or a basketball. That's going to be the top of the propeller. And if you look on the bottom, which would be the under camber part, similar to the inside of a circle or a ball, or the bottom of the ball, this will be the bottom of the propeller. So make sure you have both of these props labeled out. Now, very important thing is to make sure what's a counterclockwise and clockwise prop. This side, you can see here, the highest part of the propeller facing up will be the leading edge right here, and this is going to be the counterclockwise propeller. So now, once again, locate the rear of the aircraft, looking from the front. The counterclockwise propeller will be on the counterclockwise motor. The clockwise propeller, as you can see here, the leading edge on the right would be the clockwise. Rotate your quad, rotate your octal once again. Same thing once again. Counterclockwise and clockwise. A very easy tip to remember is, if you're looking at the 2 parallel arms, they will always spin this direction. They will always spin in. Same thing, if you're looking at it from this way, you can see these 2 parallel arms. They're going to spin in. So there you go. That's how you properly mount your propellers and also how to check the motor rotation.